Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Education. First, let's get you started. Canva Education offers K-12 teachers and their students free access to premium design tools. Simply visit the Canva website and complete a brief application to verify your educator status. Once approved, you will unlock a world of creative possibilities, including thousands of templates, millions of images, and a full suite of design features. It is a straightforward process designed to empower your teaching. Canva Education is packed with features tailored for the classroom. You will find an extensive library of educational templates, perfect for crafting engaging presentations, interactive worksheets, or informative infographics. The Brand Kit feature allows you to easily maintain consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all your teaching resources, saving you valuable time. Plus, real-time collaboration tools enable students to work together on projects, enhancing their teamwork and design skills. Creating and sharing designs is incredibly intuitive. You can begin with a blank canvas or choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates to kickstart your project. Once your design is complete, sharing it with your students is simple. You can generate a shareable link, send it via email, or integrate directly with popular learning management systems. You can also assign design tasks, allowing students to submit their creative work directly through the platform. To truly maximize your Canva education experience, explore some advanced tips. Dive into the vast content library, offering millions of free photos, videos, and audio clips to enrich your projects. Consider integrating Canva with other educational tools you use, streamlining your workflow even further. Remember, there are numerous free tutorials and support resources available to help you continuously enhance your design skills and discover new creative possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.